Okay, so I got a wild hair and it's midnight. Got my little lantern over here. Thought I'd start in on my computer. I basically just have to unplug everything here. Which is never fun. That's for the power. These are all plugged into the power supply. Just disconnect everything. And I'll have to cut this. Wow, I don't remember how I even got that through that little hole. Anyway, this fan. These fans are like, oh, so bad. So bad. Alright. Now, I hope you can see. These are the hard drives. Most of them. Get that one on the bottom. Alright. You get a knife. Okay. And try not to screw anything up. I should take my glasses off for this. Oh, I thought I had it. There we go. A little wire tie. And that's about all I can do from this side. I can push some of this stuff through this hole up there, but that ain't gonna happen anytime soon. Alrighty. Before I kill myself with this knife, let me just clear some shit out of the way here. Alright. Spin this around. See, these are hard drives. And there's one actually up here. These are optical drives at the top. Let's see if I can move this camera back a little bit. This is my graphics card. We're going to unplug that from the power supply. And more cutting. Wire ties. And actually, I have quite a bit of hardware I have to remove. This is funny. And I know that's unplugged. In case I need to test a hard drive on the just on the outside externally, or these are 3 fan pins. Could test a fan. So little doohickey 4-pin. Molex. All right. Where was I? And these, this is so sad. This is, okay, this is a fan cable that I put a UV mesh sleeve over. I had UV lights installed in this computer at one time, so that all needs to get thrown out. Let's see, this is my audio card. And then back here sits an ATA adapter where I could add an additional 4 SATA hard drives on that. And let's get some of this out of here. It's mostly toolless. Audio card, but nobody's seen one of these in a while. That's a meaty port. You can plug like a keyboard into it, or a joystick. Anyway, SimCity. All right, just put that right there. Check that out, man. It's starting to look like a little something here. Sometimes you have to screw them on just to hold them in place better than these plastic clips. So this is an ATA card, and it only has 2 SATAs hard drives attached to it, but I could easily plug in an additional 2 on this side. So there's 2 there and 2 there. So I'll hold on to that. Yeesh. Yeesh. Alright, those were plugged into my optical drives. Which I'm just unplugging the power cables from all the opticals and the hard drives. There's a hard drive right there, right here. So let's see here. We got that. Wow, these cables so need to be thrown out, man. Well, except for these black ones. These aren't in too bad a shape, but these UV ones are, oh my God, bad. Alright, that's a fan. Come on. Oh, you're, okay. Alrighty. Audio cable. Look at these, man. These used to be like a UV blue. It looks more like nicotine. I don't know what the fuck all. I know this is boring. I don't care too much about this case as I do the motherboard that all this bullshit is attached to. So, yeah. Those are gonna go in the trash. Okay. What is this? Oh. Had to get a wireless card because I bought some really funky earbuds. The antennas you just screw off the back. Because I got some funky earbuds that had Bluetooth. So if I'm gaming, I could, yeah, which that's never happened. So anyway, there's that. Wow, that card is in there. Probably because this graphics card is screwed on to a bit of it. And we're just taking our time. No rush. I don't have to be zippity-doo-dah and screw something up. So oh, that is some weird shit. That plugs into a front USB header on the motherboard. That's crazy, isn't it? I don't know. It's a Wi-Fi adapter card. PCIX by 1. That's the short ones. Alright. So there's that. And this is where I get to be Helen Keller for just a brief moment. Because I just know that this is going to be a bitch. Oh, those fans aren't too bad. I mean, I expected worse. I guess I did a pretty good job cleaning it. That's a 6 gigabyte. So, yeah. That's my baby right there. Love it. This is the CPU power cord cable off the power supply. Wow, it's starting to look a little naked in here now. Oh, where are you? Jesus. Oh, okay. That was just an adapter. I could probably leave that in the fucking case. I don't care. I have to pull all the cables through. I like to hide my cables. I like to build a computer that's clean. Just clean as all hell. Oh, I just pulled it through the wrong way. Oh, that was fun. There we go. And this is the front headers for power, reset switch, yada yada. It's right there. This whole pin setting. Alright. What are you? And why are you? Oh my gosh. Why did I do that? Because you're an idiot, that's why. I'd probably do better with a wire cutter. Oh my God, for reals? Oh, I think I almost cut a wire. Now we're like, fuck it at this point in time. I think they're just fan cables. Alright. Well, that ain't happening. I need a tool. Need a wire cutter or something. That, no. This, maybe. Wow, that was loud, sorry. Okay. You probably can't even see what I'm doing, but that's alright. I can hardly see what I'm doing. Those aren't working. I'm trying not to kill myself. That's what I'm trying to do. Damn, really? Oh, I thought I had it. This thing just don't want to go. Alright, sorry about this, folks, but I can't see what the fuck I'm doing. There we go. Alright. Yay. Well, that was exhausting. Let's see what I fucked up now. Because I can now move my camera up. Wait. Oops, sorry. Alright. Hard drive, DVD-RW, and this is a hot swap. So right now it has a 5 terabyte hard drive in it. SATA. So, would be nice if I could see what's on that hard drive, but that's okay. So this is going to come out, hopefully. Whew. That's all there is to it, really. It's you plug this into a power cable, and you plug it onto the motherboard, so it acts like it's a hard drive. So I can put any size SATA type hard drive in this. Alright. Now for the DVD-ROM. Something just broke. Don't ask. It's an LG. I don't really give a shit. I don't have like a favorite DVD optical drive maker. I think they're all crap these days. Let's see what fell on the floor, shall we? Yeah, okay. Broke that pretty good, okay. Alright. Now for the hard drive. I'm gonna bust all of these fucking things off of here. Pissing me off. Dude. One terabyte Western Digital Black. Guess I could hold it up right. That was my primary. But again, it's only 1 terabyte. Alright. Whee! It was these cables that were being a pain in my ass. What the hell is this? I don't know what this is. Well, let me try this little doohickey too. I don't think I put that there. I think I put this one there. Another wire tie. I'm trying to figure out really? Is it the power button? We're just stripping it all to hell, alright. Really, one of the last things I need to do Come on now. I want all these wires. Every single one of them. I want them all. Wow. Alright, I'm going to leave those there because that's just a bigger pain in my ass. Okay. Wait, is this side shorter? Yes. Boy, it makes me wonder how I got this shit in here. Whew. This is a 24-pin extender. Just makes the primary 24-pin off the power supply longer. So I was able to hide the cable. Big deal. Alright. And last for tonight is removing the power supply. If I can find if I can find anything, I'm gonna have to lower this back down. Sorry. Really? My screwdriver just fucking fell apart in my hand. What the hell? For real? How does that happen, man? I don't even want to know. I do not. Oh, it's meant to. It tells you how much I use this one. It's a flathead on one side and a Phillips on the other. Anyway, I don't know if you can see this because it's pretty low. Sorry. This is what I'm going to be removing. There we go. Sorry about the lamp. Always turn the power switch off. That's on the power supply before you start fucking with it. It can be unplugged, but it's also best to turn that off. That switch. Oh yeah, you're not on there tight at all. Oh my god. I wonder if I got a hex nut ratchet something or another. Maybe, no, that's way too wide. There we go. People think this shit's easy. Alright. So now, get these screws out of my way before they start falling on the floor. My cat gets them. And there we go. Power supply. It's a Corsair 750. Woo! Yeah, nice one. I really need to blow that one out too. That was what's on the bottom of the case. It's not good. Okay. So there we have it. So, moving the camera again, I think. So, all I have to do now, which I'm not going to do tonight, this is the end of this video, I'm going to remove the motherboard with the CPU and CPU fan still mounted on it and the RAM chips. I'm not going to even mess with that. I just need to unscrew it and remove the I/O plate from the back panel, which I'll show that on my next video. Hope y'all enjoyed. It's been a mess. I'm going to probably have to take this case back outside and blow it again. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching.